I'm walking, but all these thoughts are running. Yelling, catch me if you can, and I'm wondering.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then I'm so happy to meet you. And if you are returning, then thank you so much for always supporting me. It honestly means so much. So hello, RJ.
Hello. We're going to farm now.
We're off to Ashend farm. We're going to meet my nephew's girlfriend, my niece-in-law, as I call her, Gemma, and Archie, my great nephew. But when we get there, we get you to say hello. Well, we get them to say hello to you. We're still waiting for Gemma. We've come on the park for a little bit. I'm stood on top of a climbing frame, just looking at the car park in case we miss her. RJ, come and save me! I'm stuck!
I'll call an ambulance.
You're going to call an ambulance? I think I need the fire brigade. Can you call them? Tell them I'm stuck.
Mommy's stuck.
I've just did this obstacle course thing. So you climb up there and then you walk along that bridge, jump down there, then walk along here.
I'm good. Ow.
And now I'm just stood on here, but RJ's saying he's stuck. Oh no! Pull yourself up quick. Right, we'll talk to you when Gemma and Archie comes, because I've got to save some battery, because for some reason my battery's going down really fast. And I've only got like 20 minutes to film, so I'm going to try and grab... I know I've filmed this farm a couple of times before, but I've never been here with Archie, so I'm going to film some bits with Archie. So yeah, as soon as they're here, I'll get them to say hello. Say hello.
Hello.
Say hello, Archie.
Hello.
Finally, what happened then, Archie?
Huh?
Tell the vlog what happened. You're driving round and round in circles.
We got lost.
Oh, but you're here now, ain't you? And we're going to have an amazing day.
Okay, now.
Go fast. Go very fast. Go on. Oh, the pig's winning. Go on. Come on, cow.
Oh my God, it's beside.
Oh, show us your foods.
Oh shit.
How many foods have you got?
Oh shit. Yeah.
Yeah, this is all the things we can do today.
Oh my God, it's that way.
Yeah. What time are we on now? Let's see. What 11:30. So you got the creepy critter chat.
And the show.
And the show. Oh, feed them. Oh, the baby's after some luck. RJ, let other people as well. Give the baby some, Archie. You feed the big one while Archie gives the baby some. Oh, watch you don't steal your bucket. No, we don't want sticks. No, put that back on the floor, please. Oh, give the baby some, Archie. Well done. He likes that. Wow, well done. Oh, he's enjoying that. Giving him a carrot. Oh, coach him. Let Archie have a look as well. Should be. Guinea pigs. Yeah, there should be some more rabbits over there, I think. Shall we have a look? Did ya? Oh, look at him enjoying that. Look at him scratching the fence. Oh, he's looking at you.
You feed yours that one.
You feed that one. Go on, RJ. Go on then. Oh, well done. That's very brave. Very brave. Well done.
I didn't want them to pick.
Oh, you both are very brave. Oh, look how little they are. They're very little, aren't they? Call them. Call them. Oh, don't put your face too close. No, RJ, because they're dirty. Don't forget they've been rolling about. And...
Try the other one.
Oh, them cows stink. It's not. Go on, Archie.
Oh, I think there's only left.
It's dripping a little bit. Oh, look.
Let me do it.
Hang on, let's Archie have a go. He's lovely, ain't he? Stroke him nicely. Stroke him nicely, RJ. Oh, he likes you. Go on, Archie. Oh, you're very brave. You're both very brave. Very proud of you. The pony.
Which means it's our little chick's birthday today. What do we sing on our birthdays? We sing happy birthday, don't we? We like to change the words a bit and we like to sing.
Oh.
Oh, you're cute.
He's playing up to that. Hold your arm very still.
That would mean he ever behaves. He doesn't behave. He's a naughty boy.
He's got loads of energy like you, look. Oh. Very brave. Brave, that is. Give him a stroke. Mummy's done it. Oh. Stroke him. He won't hurt you. Well done. And you, well done. Very brave. Give him a stroke as well, RJ. Oh. RJ, you're stroking Mum. Be careful. Oh. Right there then.
You gonna have a go with the big one?
Stroke one.
There you go.
Oh, they know where their owners are, don't they?
Yeah.
Oh, you two are so brave.
I'll hold my hand on. Look, Phil. Let's see. Let's have it, Phil.
Wow, well done. You're very brave.
Try. No. Okay.
But no. Archie. Oh.
And then he'll push.
Oh. Yeah, nudges you, doesn't he? Oh, well done, RJ. Hey, Archie. Beautiful.
Mom, let's go.
Hands
Put your legs together for me.
Put your legs together and stay very still. Oh,
Stroking while he's on there.
oh, he's lovely stroking, Archie. Oh, well done. His name's Spiky. Oh, what she doesn't fall.
Well, I hope you enjoy the rest of
Oh,
your day.
wow, stroke him. Oh, he likes you. It is. Well done, you two. You're both very brave.
New World Stars.
Archie's being very brave.
Right, so a very important thing. I need 100% confident if you're going to hold him. You
You
can't
can't-
freeze. So the second you want to take him off, you tell me.
Yeah, just
and I
tell the
will.
man.
So all it'll feel like is two little hooks. So it'll just feel like Velcro
You
on
don't
your
want
hands.
it.
No? Still want to go?
It's tickling you. You don't want to leave your hand.
You see, that's what really gently like that.
Oh, you can really see the detail on him as well.
He's got a beautiful carapace here.
Yeah.
So it looks like he's got 10 legs. These aren't legs at the front, these are what we call pedipalps. So this is a 4 essentially. But I think they're more sense.
Wow.
It's a chick.
Oh.
It's just sour chicks as well.
Yeah, no, that's fine. Yeah, it is a bit cruel. Oh, we've got another. Gonna do it.
Watch how fast he runs, RJ.
See it.
Sneaking up on his prey, going through the log.
Yeah.
In the water. In the water.
Wow. Yeah, it's already dead.
Got it from the head.
He's eating the chick.
Oh.
No, he's eating. Good dude.
He's
He's
taking
good
it
dude and eating.
Yeah.
Okay.
What can you do?
So we're just ensuring that it basically gets a varied diet. So we just give them more supplements in there.
Yeah.
Just to make it's a change in it.
Sure, yeah.
This is food.
Is he making sure it's dead?
So I guess you don't know how it is.
We're eating them all.
Situation where you don't know when to get.
You're all very brave. Very brave. Don't you steal them buckets. Oh, that's nice, you two are sharing.
Some. I do it really fast off my hand. Okay.
Feed them.
Feed them.
Where? You two.
Here we go.
There you go, sheep.
Do you know the cow? A cow ripped half his ear off.
On the farm, these are our skeletons inside, isn't it? All of our bones are inside, but that's their skeleton on the outside.
Oh,
And
wow.
inside that shell is all soft and squishy. There's no bones inside. So again, you can come in.
Stroke
You
him.
will have to move out this way.
He's looking for his food.
Die, but can't see anything. But can notice daylight and darkness. Okay, so that helps him know when Sarah abandoned you. It's all right. I could just see him when she used to be really hit. Straight for the apple, look.
Oh,
When it's some cucumber.
Yeah.
Mom,
Yeah.
baby.
Doing a little dance.
Because he took them off while we were on this.
Oh, well done, you two.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Oh. It's the end of the day now. The kids are just playing on that. Oh, I've just done this. Now Gemma's having a go. Be careful. We're home now. It's been a lovely day. Tired, ain't we, RJ? Gonna have a shower and put our pyjamas on, ain't we? Yeah. And have a hot chocolate. Yeah. Okay, then I'm gonna love you all and leave you. Thank you all so much for spending the day at the farm with us. And I shall see you all again on my next one. Love you all so much. Bye.
Time